Do you believe in the devil?
Oh, what? It's the same as Santa Claus. I know it's my dad.
Give me a sentence using the words bitter end in it.
Our dog chased our cat and it bit her end.
The sentence my father had money is in the past. Now what tense will you be speaking if you said my father has money? Yes, my boy.
Pretense.
Use the word definitely in a sentence.
Said, do farts have lamps in them?
Of course not.
Then I've definitely shit my pants. I see man, go. Relax, it's a sentence.